Question 12th says that find the equation of a line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passes to the point 2, 3. How do we deal with this one? You're given one point, but you're not given anything else. Or are you? Yes. You're given a condition that the line cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. Now, by equal intercepts, you mean they're actually equal. They're equal. If one intercept is +3, the other intercept will also be +3. Now, another idea could be that the intercepts are of equal length. Now, in case intercepts are of equal length, now 3 and -3 both are same lengths, right? So, the idea here, the idea which is important is, since the intercepts are exactly equal, you'll have +3 and +3 like this, or maybe -2 and -2 like this. So, these will be the possible cases, right? If you observe, any line having equal intercepts will be parallel to these lines, yes or no? Means the slope of that particular line will be fixed. Yes. So, indirectly you are given the slope. Along with this point, you are also given the slope. Mind you, I will discuss one more condition over here, and what is that? That the line may cut off intercepts of equal length. The line may cut off intercepts of equal length, and in that case, the length can be equal in this way, or the length can be equal in this way also. One intercept will be positive, the other will be negative. So, in such cases, line can be parallel to these lines, or line can be parallel to this particular line over here. Right. So, the slopes in these cases, what will the slopes be? This particular angle, if you can observe, this is 90 degree and this here is an isosceles triangle. If this is an isosceles triangle, this particular angle can be easily found. If this is 90, the sum of these two is 90, therefore each of these is 45 degree. Therefore, this particular angle will be 135 degree, and yes, this will tell me the slope is equal to -1, that's for sure. And if this is the case, then you can observe that the slope of this is -1, whereas the slope of this is 1. Okay, so if intercepts of equal length are cut, then the slope can be +1 or -1. If the intercepts are exactly equal, the person is using that term, equal intercepts, in that case the slope will be -1. Something which you can remember, right? Something which you can memorize. So, let's talk about this question over here. Find the equation of a line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passes through the point 2, 3. So, the line passes through the point 2, 3 and cuts off equal intercepts. 2, 3 would be somewhere here. This point is 2, 3. Let's call this point A, and since it cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis, this is what the line will look like. Right, and this particular angle, if it is 45 degree, so this particular angle will be 135 degree from the positive x-axis anti-clockwise. Therefore, slope m will be equal to tan 135 degree, and by this time you should be aware of this particular value, which is -1. So, slope has been found, point is already given, equation of line can be written in terms of y minus y1 m times x minus x1, which is the point slope form, which tells me y minus y1 is equal to slope times x minus x1. This is what you have. Yes, can you memorize that? But can you remember? Can you understand that easily? Yes. So, let's rearrange this, becomes minus x, which comes over here, x plus y. This is +2, then you have +3, which is equal to 5 on the right hand side. This is the equation of line that I'll get, and yes, that's the answer for this question over here.